Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to control Honeywell Thermostat from phone. Start by turning on your Honeywell Thermostat and standing near it so you can follow along easily. On the thermostat screen, tap on the menu option. Look for a setting that says Connect App or something similar. On some models, you may need to press and hold the center button for a few seconds until the screen changes. This will put the thermostat into pairing mode. Next, go to your App Store and download the Residio app. Once the app is installed, open it and create a new account using your email address. Follow the simple steps on the screen to log in. Inside the app, tap on Add Device. The app will guide you step by step. It will ask you to enter your Wi-Fi details so the thermostat can connect to the internet. If your thermostat shows a 4-digit PIN, enter that when prompted. You will also be able to give your thermostat a name, such as living room or bedroom. After setup is complete, you can control your thermostat directly from your phone. You can adjust the temperature using the controls in the app. You can switch between heating, cooling, off, or auto modes. You can also create schedules based on time or even your location using geofencing. Thanks for watching.